This is the fourth session of your Western dance. So for grade 7th and 8th, the third session was a revision session that I had posted. Okay, now why was this revision session posted just post 2 sessions? Firstly, I was expecting some videos, your dance videos on Flipgrid. I have received very less number of videos. I think in my 8th standard, I don't even think that I have received even one video. Yeah, but 7th standard, yes, I've received a few videos. So this was for your revision and y'all to update me of how y'all are doing with these steps. Okay, these are not very difficult steps. I've not given you all too difficult steps that you can't perform at home or can't practice at home. Yeah, but I still haven't received the videos. So I had kept the session 3 as the revision. I hope you all have done that. If you haven't, you still have time, because today the new steps that I'm going to teach you, we're just going to learn 2 new steps. I'm not going to move fast with this song because I don't know your progress. I want to know, I want to see how you all are performing. Only then I will be able to go and finish the song off. Just to inform you, the other classes, the lower grades, have almost finished their first song. Yeah, so I want you all to show me the videos of this dance by the next time, so that we can also, after one session, we can cover up the new song again and go ahead and be on the level with the other classes. Okay, so the name of the song is Oh Na 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 Remix that we were doing. Yeah, so before we go ahead and I teach you the main step, it's a quite catchy step that you can say. If you get this step, you'll do wonders with your other dance performances. You can put this step anywhere you want to. So there's a different trick to it, different technique to it, which I'll show it to you. So before we go for that, from the beginning, we'll do it once. Okay, we'll do the entire dance together. If you haven't practiced, I would love it when you do it with me. Later on also, just go back to part 2, revise your steps, come back to part 4. Yeah, because part 3 was your revision, so there was no video as such for part 3. So part 2 and then jump up to part 4, and then you can do the step that I'll teach you. Okay, and by the end of the session, I will give you one task. Today, this is the first task of your 7th and 8th standard. Yes, so that task has to be completed, and that task has to be sent to me compulsorily by all of you. Okay, so before we go, I will step behind. From the beginning, we'll do the song and then I'll teach you the main step. Come on, let's go for it.
Vai, esse é o DJ Sekai, produzindo mais uma no mundo de Narnia.
Let's go, come on. Faster. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4, push, 2, 1, 2, stop. Very nice, very nice. Okay, we'll do it one more time. And then I'll teach you the last 2 steps, which for today, the steps that we'll be doing. Come on.
Vai, esse é o DJ Sekai, produzindo mais uma no mundo de Narnia.
5, 6, 7. Faster. On, stop. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, stop. Okay, great. Okay, so one step was the next step. So we came push, 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 push. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. We joined our right leg. Now we have to move forward with our right shoulder. Hit, 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 stop. So 3 times. Okay, come on. 5, 6, 7, go. Hit, 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 and stop. Okay, so I'm not coming too much forward. I want you to see my leg movements. Okay, so one more time. Come here. 5, 6, 7, right, right, cross left, right, and stop. Got it? So you have to bounce a little. Now, before we go, join your legs in. and I want you to bounce. Just groove, just bounce, bounce, bounce. Okay, where is your bouncing movement coming from? It's coming from your knees. So I want you all to keep your knees softer. So there is a little style, little groove in your dance when you're dancing. So keep your hands here. 5, 6, 7, hit, bounce, 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 stop. Okay, so we came till here, now we've come forward. Go back. Now how do we go back? Now this is the main step that I'll be teaching you all. Okay, let's do this much on the music once. And then I'll teach you the main step. Alright, let's do it. Come on. From the beginning.
Vai, esse é o DJ Senkai, produzindo mais uma no mundo de Narnia. Ó, é o boss. One, two, three, go. Alright. Okay. So this is an easy step, of course. So we came till here, we came ahead. Okay, now I have to go back behind. Now this step is a little tricky. It's more of your leg movement. Your hands can be free. You can do whatever movements you want to with your hands. Okay. For now, we will lock it over here because we have to do the leg movements. Now, your first step, okay, first leg that goes out, okay, you're going to go, we came ahead with our 1, 2, 3, 4. Now your right leg will go up in the air. Now see, I'm not kicking it, I'm sliding it up. So slide, change your body weight, slide, slide, slide. So I'm basically side kicking it, but I'm not actually doing this. I'm just going on the side. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what I'm doing is I am transferring my weight from one leg to the other. Okay, so when my right leg kicks, obviously my entire weight is on the left leg. So my right leg is free. Now we'll shift it on the right, left. Okay, so that's what we do. We'll kick it 8 times. Okay, we'll kick it 8 times, so alternate. So right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Great. Okay, now there's a distance that we have to maintain. Now when I'm kicking my right leg, my entire weight is on the left, but when I'm doing this, my other leg is going to twist out. So my heel of the other leg will twist out. So when I'm kicking my right leg, I will twist, come back. Okay, just do it with one leg first on the place. So lock your hands, twist your left leg, center, twist, center, twist, center, twist, change right leg, twist, center, twist, center, twist, center, twist, stop. Now when I'm twisting, okay, my weight still will be on the same leg, so we'll do it alternate, left, right, left, right. See, I'm coming back to the center, so left, center, right, center, left, center, right, center. Now try it. Now first thing, don't open up your legs too much, you will never be able to do it. Okay, just come inside a little. Yes, normal basic distance. So you will go up. So did you see I'm going up, center. So my other leg is twisting out, coming back. So rise up, out. Same thing with the other, left, right, left, right. Very nice. Okay, so let's do it slowly on the place first. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stop. Okay, now this I did it on the place. Doing this, we have to move behind. Okay, so first, once we do it on the place one more time, keep your hands here. 5, 6, 7, out, 1, center. Again, same leg, 1, center. One more time, 1, center. One more time, 1, center. Now, same thing with the other leg, 1, center. 1, center. 1, center. 1, center. Alternate once, come on, 5, 6, 7, go. Right, stop, left, stop, right, stop, left, stop, right, stop, left, stop, right, stop, left, stop. Got it? So doing this, so if you noticed, I am going out. When I am going out, I am placing it on the same place. So when I have to move behind, I will kick it, place it behind. One step. Kick, back, kick, back, kick, back, kick, back, kick, back. It basically looks like this. Okay, so it's basically ulta twist that we are doing. Okay, this is a difficult step, so I don't expect you all to learn it right now, but I want to see this in the video when you perform. Okay, so keep your knees softer. Come on, 5, 6, 7, go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and stop. Very nice. One more time, slowly. 5, 6, 7, go. Bounce, 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 stop. See, you can normally kick also and go behind, but that is not the step. The step is bouncing. So bounce, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I can go full behind, I can go half behind depending on how much steps I take. Okay, now we'll go a little faster with this. For now, lock your hands. Come on. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now come behind only. We'll go from here. Once on the counts. Come on. 5, 6, 7, bounce. 1, 2, 3, open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so my hand movements that I usually do is whichever leg I'm kicking, the other leg will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So shoulder 1, 2, drag it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it with this. Come on. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try it on the music. I really want to see how much energy you put this in this step. Come on.
Vai, esse é o DJ CK, hein? Produzindo mais uma no mundo de Narnia. Ó, é o
Go. Faster. Yes. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, bounce. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, in. Okay, the music is faster, so I don't expect you all to do this on the first go. Okay, so this step is the main step. I want you all to practice this much. Now, the music post this. I will make you listen to it. Okay, the music post this is a task for you. I want you all to do the choreography of that part on your own. Put your own steps. Okay, and with my steps, combine that. So I want only one video in which the beginning of the dance till here is the steps that I have taught you, and continuing with that till where I tell you is the steps that you're going to do it on your own. Okay, I'll make you all listen to it. Just listen to it. So we'll do it once from the top, and I will continue the music playing so you can listen till where you have to do the steps. Alright, come on, let's do it.
Vai, esse é o DJ CK, hein? Produzindo mais uma no mundo de Narnia. Ó, é o bicho.
Back. 5, 6, 7, 8.
from the place where I left, the last step, yeah, from there, after the step, the music, till again when he says, oh na na na, okay, it's the same thing. The middle part of that song, okay, so that part you have to do the choreography, and I want each and every one of you to post one video in which in the beginning it's the steps that I have taught you, continuation with the steps that you all will be putting in this, okay. I want that by the next time so that we can go ahead and see how much it goes and how it goes actually, yeah, and then we can start off with the new song, okay. Keep practicing, keep dancing, keep smiling till the next time we meet, and please upload the video. I'll be eagerly waiting to see each one of you perform, okay. Till then, take care and bye. See you.
Não só, vai, não vai!